Hello everyone, Serge is here. I'm back with another app called Sweet Cash Earn Money. Sounds lovely, but let's actually check if you can earn any money by playing this app. This app created by Alpha Network. They have several apps, but this video will be only about Sweet Cash app. The minimum amount to cash out is 20k points, which is 2 cents. Here they give you some basic rules how to earn money, so they suggest play and earn points, invite friends and do surveys. Let's go with the first option, let's play it. So this is how the game looks like. Regular puzzle game where you need to match pieces. The levels are not super difficult, but sometimes I had to play the same level several times. Once you win, you must watch an ad to collect your points. No way to skip it. Basically, you get paid for watching ads. Points that you earn after each play will be various. And about surveys, they do not have a lot of surveys. I had only one, and at the end of that survey, I was kicked out being disqualified. And then they ran out of surveys. I have 34k points, and that is obviously 3 cents. So I type my PayPal account here, click cash out, and money arrived. Yay! That works. Second cash out, I have 163k points, and that is 15 cents. So as you can see, they have some kind of commission or fees, because 163k points should be equal to 16 cents. Okay, let's check this one. Boom, and it worked again. Third time I have 271k points, that is 24 cents, so commission is 31k points, and that's roughly 11% by the way. Okay, let's try this one, and it worked once again. Okay, cool. This app seems to be legit. The only thing is that amount of money being earned is super low. Basically, playing 5 days, I have earned 42 cents in total. But let's be fair, I got this money not by playing this app, but by watching ads. So if you're okay with playing this app, watching ads, and earning little by little, you're welcome. Otherwise, I do not recommend this app.